Hello everybody, I'm reading a book. Oh, but I'm missing something. I'm missing a bookmark. Oh, but Valentine's Day is coming up. So we're gonna make a Valentine's Day bookmark. And I'm gonna take a piece of paper. So then I'm gonna use a heart sticker. And you can use any kind of marker. To trace it. Now I'm gonna cut it. So now I'm gonna need to use this red paper. And you can use any kind of glue, but glue sticks are the best. And mine's brand new. Now I glued it on. I'm going to take my glue stick away. And I'm going to decorate it with some nice heart stickers. And I got a lot here. And the decoration is even better because if you decorate, it's going to be the best bookmark in the whole world. Now my last sticker. And this is the bookmark. And then that's the bookmark. Thanks for watching.